Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to write a report in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just tap on the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on Choose Template. And here we scroll down, and under Education we have a few report templates. Just select one that we like this, and and yeah, here we can just play around with this template by tapping on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner and edit it however we like. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.